Alright guys, so to look years younger, you're going to be making use of potato. Okay, so you can either use the Irish potato or you can use the sweet potato. And when you lay your hands on it, it's going to be better because it contains the same ingredients. It hydrates the skin. Potato juice contains a high amount of vitamin C, which is very beneficial for hydrating your skin. It makes your skin clear, blemish free, and it is a great anti-aging remedy that prevents aging and reduces wrinkles on the face. It treats eczema and all infected skin. Alright guys, so the next ingredient we're going to be needing banana. Now banana is a great remedy for the body and also for the skin. Banana is loaded with anti-aging benefit. The nutrients in banana help fight wrinkles and keep the skin youthful. The anti-aging remedy in banana also helps to remove fine lines and it makes you look years younger. Then we're going to be making use of yogurt. Now yogurt contains a lactic acid that helps to fight free radicals from the skin. Yogurt contains an alpha-hydroxy acid. It dissolves dead skin cells. It is gentle exfoliating remedy that helps to create a natural glow and prevent breakouts. It diminishes the appearances of fine line and as well as wrinkles. So it's gonna be making you look younger and younger. So the next ingredient we're going to be making use of is going to be coconut oil. Now coconut oil is vast. It's great for cooking, it's great for the skin, it's great for the hair, and it's also great for nails. Coconut oil is used in many beauty products, okay, including the soap you might be using right now or the cream you might be using right now. It is a natural antibacterial and antifungal moisturizing property. Okay, now to prepare these ingredients, we're gonna first of all peel off the potato. Okay, alright, so to get this potato juice we would have to blend it or create it, so whichever one is easier, that's what I'm gonna go for. For now I think it's easier to blend because my blender is very close by. Okay, so to enable the blender, which I have that is very small, blend it very well and smooth as well, I'm gonna be cutting it just like what you see me do right now. Then we're gonna be bringing in the small tiny blender to blend this potato and give us a fine paste. Alright guys, so after blending the potato very well, we would have to transfer that into a bowl. Okay, so I'm going to be needing a spoon to help me out in removing all of this goodness out into this bowl. Okay, so we'll have to mix this and mix it very well. Okay, now let's go straight to the next ingredient. Now half of a small or medium banana is still gonna be perfect because we're just applying it on the face and we actually do not even need too much of that. So first we're going to be peeling off this banana and then we're going to be needing to cut the banana in pieces, okay, so that we can blend it very well. As well, the banana peel is ideal for the skin, so we're just going to scrape out all of the goodness in here and then put it into the blender and blend it, so we don't even lack not even one of this whole goodness, the banana peel. Alright, so now transfer that in and then we'll go forth in blending. Going to be putting that into a separate bowl. Alright, since banana does not, last on the ground without it getting dark, well, mixing oil in this banana is gonna make it stay a little longer. Alright, so this is how it is. It's actually properly blended and it's very smooth. So now we are going to be bringing in the potato and the banana. These are great remedy. Alright, we're gonna turn that into it. This is about 2 tablespoons of half of a small banana. It's actually okay for the face. And now we're gonna be taking 2 tablespoons of the yogurt and half teaspoon of this coconut oil, just a drop of that. Alright, so this is how it looks like. This is how it looks like. Alright, so now we would have to mix all of this goodness together. Oh my god, I'm so excited. I love natural ingredients. And here we go, guys. Alright, so for this treatment you would have to apply it at most twice in a week to look younger. Now trust me guys, if you're 40 years old, you are going to be looking 18 the moment you start to take this, and alongside with a little scrubbing here and there with some good soap, and good oil on your skin after applying this treatment. Alright guys, so here's the banana and potato mix. Okay, so what you do is to grab a brush and then you wash your face at first, just like this. Now this is just to enable your face very soft enough for any product to get inside. Okay, even if you don't want to wash your face at first, you can just dab your face with water, okay, so that your skin will be tender, so that when you apply the treatment, it's going to get into your skin. Okay, then you grab this and then you apply. Okay, remember to put it inside the refrigerator, because the skin actually needs something that is very cool, not something that is really very hot and harsh. Okay, anything very cool, that's what the skin needs. Alright, after spreading this onto your face, make sure it touches everywhere. Okay, make sure it touches everywhere. Okay, I'm actually wearing this because I know it's just gonna drop, so that I can just wash like go wash off my whole body after applying this. Okay, the yogurt in it is just gonna be so awesome. So after that, I just love to scrub a little, just a little scrub around there and there. Okay, not so harsh because the skin does not, especially the skin on the face, does not need something that is too harsh. Okay, you scrub it in circular motion, and then you can scrub it upward direction. Okay, upward direction, and there you have it. After scrubbing that, just a very mild scrub anyways, so you have to hold it for like 5 to 10 minutes, yeah, not necessarily to dry, but so the ingredients could add this awesome natural ingredient could just get into your skin and just remove all of those fine lines and leave your skin looking younger. Even if you're 40, you're 45, or you're 30, you're gonna look so young, and like your skin, I mean, is gonna look so young. So after 5 to 10 minutes, then you wash it off. Follow suit with a cool, wash it off with a cool water, not a warm water, and follow suit with a toilet soap, like an ordinary toilet soap, just to remove the just the oil left on your face. Okay, so I'm gonna go wash this, and I'll see you soon.